Hey guys, it's Karmen. Today I'm going to be showing you how I made this cool snowflake slime. Let's get to it. So guys, these are all my ingredients. I have a clear glue bottle, pink glitter, styrofoam balls, a spoon in a bowl, borax, and warm water. So guys, first we're going to start with pouring a little bit of glue into our bowl. That should be a good amount. Put the cap on the glue. Then I'm going to add one little layer of pink glitter. That should be good enough. Then get your spoon and start mixing. You want to keep mixing till all the little glitter chunks are gone into the glue and it becomes a liquid. Then add a little bit of warm water from your bottle. Then mix that well till it all comes together. Add a little bit of borax at a time. Then add a little bit of warm water and repeat that process over and over till you get the slime consistency that you would like. Quick tip, make sure to always keep your water warm or your slime will not be a good slime consistency. And keep kneading your slime in warm water so it'll be very squishy and flexible. Okay guys, if you add a little bit borax, just add a little bit more glue and it'll be great. Now you can use your hands to crush up the chunks. Now that we still have water glue, I'm just going to add the borax around the slime so that can become slime also. So guys, just keep adding more warm water to get that glue off the layer of the bowl so you can put that in your slime. Okay, now I'm going to be adding the rest of the borax and then I'm going to knead all of it together. Now you can see that the slime is starting to form. Very gloopy. Now I'm just repeating the same process as before. Now I'm just kneading the slime and folding it onto itself. Now I'm going to make the slime look pretty. First, start by mushing the slime on the bottom of the bowl. Then get any glitter that you like and dump it in. Now I'm going to add my styrofoam balls to my slime. And then I'm going to smush that down. And then grab the corners and just fold it all together so it can blend into my slime. So guys, this slime is very pretty and stretchy and flexible. I just love it. This is what the slime looks like up close. So there's something missing to my slime. I think I'm gonna add some glitter. This time I'm gonna be using gold. I'm just gonna dump a little bit of that in and then do the same process as what I did with the silver glitter and the styrofoam balls. So if you want your slime to be extra stretchy, just keep kneading it in warm water. This is how your slime should turn out, and this is how mushy your slime should get. Just spread that out, cinematics. And this is the final result. So guys, this slime is very sparkly and glossy. I think I'm gonna call it my snowflake slime. It is very pretty. I had a lot of fun making this slime. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. You are now leaving Karmen's Corner. Goodbye.